Hey, you guys want to watch a Lego Rookie open a box? I just started learning about Legos and Bricklink and Brickstore and all that kind of stuff, working on a store, but I was out looking for like drawers and shelves and like junk stuff, and I went to one of my favorite junk places that I haven't been to in like years. Um, Anyhow, everything there changed and they're in like antique world now, sort of. But like I found some toys and random. So even though I'm not supposed to be buying any more Legos right now, and even though I'm not supposed to be buying any more anything, right now I found this and I'm like a huge sucker for vintage toys. I can't help myself. I just can't help it. You see the old box and you see all the dust and you're like, oh, this is amazing. So anyhow, I know vintage Legos are not like really valuable or whatever. I don't know. We're going to find out, but I like couldn't pass this up because it was calling my name. I paid 35 bucks for it. Is that a good choice? A bad choice? Not really sure. But it's not going to like send me into poverty. So 35 bucks. I'm going to learn something. So you guys want to see what I bought? So let's see. This is what I got. Obviously the box is in super crap condition. Ooh, whoops. Let me fix this camera here. Now we're talking. Okay. Camera fixed. Box is in crappy condition, but it is, let's see here. It is older than me. Yes. Something that's older than me. 1974. Lego set 190. First thing we have to do is take this sticker off because I hate price tags. And also, it's just ruining the whole vibe. I know you guys want to see what's inside, but this is my video. These are my quirks. And this is something that has to get done. Gotta take that off. Hold on, gotta take this off too. Okay. I was gonna go live, and then I realized I'm not allowed to go live because I like have 2 people following me. Subscribing. Anyway, subscribe. Hit a button or something so that I can like, I don't know, be YouTube cool, I guess. I don't know. Okay. Look at this. Look at how cute. Obviously, someone wanted to combine their coolness. Portrait of Clark Kent. DC Comics. They put their sticker there. Wouldn't it be fun? But anyway, there we go. So we have that. All dust. Lovely. Oh, neat. Look at that. Use this box for storage. I guess this tells us what's in the box. Is this like the way instructions used to be? They just show you what's in the box? I don't know. But we're going to find out. Look at this. No legs. You guys. No legs. WTF. I really need to learn about vintage Legos because I did not know they had no legs. All right. I'll put this over here. So, shoved in here is this. And I get the feeling that some of this stuff is in here, obviously, and not this stuff. I don't know. Let's find out. Okay. So, set 952. Did they used to do that? Cut that corner off like that? No, that's not right. Alright, so they cut the corner off. Reminds me of, like, the little brother who cuts the ear off the cat. Man, this is so dusty. Yeah. Okay. It's a hog. That's pretty badass. Congratulations, expert. All right. So we'll look this up. when I was at the store, I saw some of these people and I was like, oh, yuck. I was like, oh, cool. I hope they have legs. Now I see they're not supposed to have legs, I guess. Okay. Well, everybody likes the people, right? So, ooh, you got that guy. I'm gonna set him here. What's this? Man. Oh, the dust. I know it's not good, but I love it. So, another rookie thing that I am working on learning is metal pieces. Back in the day when we were allowed to play with metal. So, now every Lego piece says Lego on it. But I'm pretty sure back in the day that was not a thing. I don't know. So I'm assuming these are real Legos. But how do you verify? I don't know. I'm going to have to learn. This is adorable though. Are you a door? Oh my god, it's a door. You're a door. Adorable. Sorry, bad dad joke. Okay. I'm going to put this here. I got a big ass wheel. It's kind of squishy. We got a couple, so that's promising, right? One wheel is just very sad. Is it like a tractor type of situation? Oh, maybe it's... No, let's see. Maybe it's the... Oh, it's his. Okay, cool. What's this? Ooh. Oh, man. It doesn't even have to be cool for me to think it's cool. I just... More metal! Yes! Is it Lego metal? I don't know. Did they make Lego metal? What's this? What's that? Don't know. Got a whole mixture of things, including a lot of dust. Oh, garbage can. I have to empty the garbage can. This is... I have no idea. I guess the people are old. That was funny. Alright, wheels. No. I don't know. All of you, there we go. All of you guys who know about Legos, you guys are probably so frustrated right now watching me have no idea what I'm talking about. But I'm going to learn, so have no fear. Now, not Legos, I'm almost certain, but look at this little car. He's got his rolling ball so that we can throw him down the hallway. What is that? That is adorable. I'm just too easily entertained. Oh, so new Legos here that say Lego on them. Lego, 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 Lego. Maybe not Lego, or maybe just so old that it doesn't say. It's like, feels very light. A lot of numbers and stuff in there, though. I don't know. We're going to figure that out. Let's see if we got more people. Oh, come on. Look at the face. Oh, it's just such a cute little face. Oh. Ears. These Legos have ears. Oh my god. That, oh. That's funny. It has this, look. Huh. Alright then. So, I got a blank new little head with a little, like a uniform hat. And Got some legs. So maybe that could go with that. Oh, we got another. Who's this guy? Oh, okay, hold up. It's like an old police officer. Look. Dude, look at how cute. I wonder if these guys are worth anything. We're gonna have some looking up to do. And we got a piece of a matchbox, because of course. Let's see here. Old clear bricks that are no longer clear. I know that's probably not good, but in my mind, I think it's charming. Don't worry, I won't try to sell them to you. I don't know what that is. Look at all these metal wheels. Lots of wheels in here, actually, now that I'm looking at it. I wonder if I can, like, I'm gonna see if I can, like, reconstruct. What's that? Dude, what's that? I'm gonna see if I can reconstruct some of these things that are on here and see what parts I have and if they're, like, legit. Yeah. I don't know what that is. That looks like the top of the blue. More, these are newer. What's this? Milton Bradley. Not Lego. What is that? Parcheesi, maybe? I forget. Got like a hitch here. All right, now we have this. Not a Lego, but just in case we need to keep a mummy. Now I have a container, and it is from 1977. Megacorp, so we'll have to look up what that's from. Got more wheels. What's this? That? That's old, but obviously not Lego, and it looks like the bottom of, what does it say? Hong Kong. It says Hong Kong. I don't know what that is. Okay. Oh. Now, I don't care if this is not worth any money. Look at this. It's an old Exxon dude. Look at him. See his sticker? It's kind of worn and old. But that dude has seen some major playing. How cute is he? Oh, for crying out loud. I think I would have paid $35 just for that guy. What's this? This is another part of some game. Not what we were talking about. Fuzz. What's that? Alright, I don't know what this is, but look at, is it? It's like a metal, little die-cast metal seat? Seat? It's gotta be a seat. I don't know. We're gonna find out about that. Oh, check this out. Ooh, that is cool. What is that called? These are the wheels of, like, the tractor, or the, what is it called? Obviously, so not a farmer. But it's those wheels that do that. Look at that. Oh, yeah. It's working very well. All right. I got more pieces. What's this? This is so cute. What? Oh my God. What is that? You guys, it looks like the things we put on our Crocs now, but it's like a button. I guess it goes in a buttonhole or something. Is that not the funniest freaking monkey you've ever seen? Okay. I got real, this looks like somebody's tooth. We're just not even gonna go there. And I have an old scale weight. Oh, I got another, yes, I got another policeman hat. Maybe it's the Exxon guy's hat. I don't know. We'll line up the people shortly. I don't know what that is. That's a broken Lego piece. What's that? It looks like it's Lego related, but I'm not sure what it's for. Freaking fire. Look at that. Oh, people who know about toys, I'm sure you're so disappointed in me right now that I don't know the values of these, but I'm going to look them up. I'm going to get back to you when I'm all smarty pants about this and I'm all read up. Dust. I love me some good dust. A little fan. Oh, it's an old door. Well, oh no, it's not that old. Never mind. Oh, everybody needs a pen. Oh, blasphemy. Yankees fans around here. Look at this chair. Oh. Yes, check it out. Look. It's a big hat. For the big guy. Nice. Oh, sorry, buddy. Stay here. And of course, we have someone's leg. That's important. Random leg, you know. Oh, what's this? Oh. Random little airplane that got colored by its kid. This stuff is all going. Oh. Well. Maybe we're like putting together body parts here because this is a very delicate. Can you see that? Let me hit that. Look at that hand. That's really pretty impressive. And it's jointed. All right then. Moving on to another section. What's this? I have here, I don't know if it's decorative. What is this? Oh my gosh, I have a clown who has these like hinged body parts and he like swings. I don't know. Something like that. Random parts. So many wheels. There were seriously so many wheels in here. I wonder if wheels are working in here. A little blue steering wheel. I've never seen a blue one. Well, I'm new, so maybe blue is very regular for you guys, but usually I see white or the light blues. Oh, look at how cute this is. It's a bookmark. It says dig 'em. Can you see? It's very hard to figure out the zoom situation here. Okay. Wheels. Dishes. Oh, the fuzz is real. What's this? Looks like a little skipper pack or something. I'm not sure if it's Lego. Those are old. Oh, I have another head. What's that? Who is this? You guys, who? Can you see that? Who is that? He's silverish. He's got this ball joint on the bottom. Found another blank head with a hat. I got this orange suitcase-ish thing. Okay. What? Dude. What is this? You guys can't see, but it's super heavy. This is like lead, metal lead something. It has seams, but I don't know. I'm not going to yank on it. Oh man, this is gonna be fun to look up. I can't wait to find out what that is. But these pieces must be from something. There's a whole bunch of them. What do you think? Very light celluloid. Cellulose. This is, we got another blank head. Oh, look at the color of that. I'm sure it's like not supposed to be like that, but look at that color. Kind of cool, huh? Okay, I guess I'm gonna be schooled on vintage Legos today. Look, it's gonna match our Exxon guy. That's so cool. I love it. I don't know what it, oh, guess wing. So many wheels. Oh, another blank head. What's this? You guys know what this is? I don't know. What's this? It's like a joint or something. This. Wheels, wheels, wheels. Did I already put this in? Or are there two? Dude, there's two. There's two! There's two! What are these things? Oh, man. Look at that. It's actually it. It's not a sticker. It's on there. Metal. Woo! A golf club, although not feeling like this is Lego. That's someone else, I think. Alright. It's the other hand! The other hand! Look at it, it's blue. Whose hand is that? Also got... Oh! Shit's making sense now. Scuba. Look, got a little flipper. I don't think he's shooting anybody in the water, but a little gun. Got this, whatever that is. I wonder if there's another flipper. What is this? Car part? Oh, look, it's very shiny. A little walkie-talkie. I think that's new. I feel like I've seen that before. This is, it says stop right here. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it because zoom, whatnot. But it says stop here, so I guess this is this. Someone chewed on it a little bit. I have a arm-ish. Yes, no, that's an arm. I got, again, a little light helmet. That's just full-blown chewed on. Okay, cool. What's this? Oh! Oh! I don't know where it is now, but not a seat because this is the other side to whatever that was. So maybe that's someone's torso. I get another little airplane that is not colored on. Oh, okay. Oh, no, that's not it. Got another car, though. Oh, there we go. Another car. And some old torsos. Maybe for the blank heads that I have. I'm gonna put them on there because why not? And one of you guys can have legs. I don't know if it's not right to put newer legs on old Exxon man. Or are they newer? Maybe they're not. I don't know. For now. Alright, thanks for watching.